made a video in time, but I'm back now, trying to be more active again. But yeah, we're here today, about to do garden cleanup. Get rid of all this. Yeah, cut this back, clean up this grass, obviously trim this back as well. Basically just neaten it all up. You see the dew on the grass. So this time of the year things start to slow down for landscapers, and this is something that you really need to kind of pencil in, you know, because in summer business is thriving. Obviously winter, it's getting colder, the weather's changing, it rains a lot, and obviously when it rains too much you can't do certain types of work. So all these factors come into play, especially in England. As a landscaper, just make sure that you are prepared for this, because some people go into the business and they don't really know what to expect. And if you've been doing it for a while, you start to learn that in summer you kind of have to go hard. You might have to sacrifice holidays and certain things like that just to get the work done, so you have enough money and capital behind you that when it gets to winter and it starts raining a lot and it's cold and you can't do certain types of work, that you have money behind you. With landscaping being seasonal, you can start to think about what else can I do in the winter months to generate income, you know, because that money can soon dry out really quickly if you don't be responsible. So have a little think, you know what I mean? Like, I can't really tell you what to do. Like me personally, I do football coaching, you know what I mean? So that's my side hustle, so that kind of keeps me going through winter, and I'm still working, doing little bits and bobs, and you know what I mean? So I'm kind of in a blessed position, to be fair. Like, but you might find something that you like. And also there's a lot of factors you got to think about why people don't really spend a lot on their garden in winter. And for me, the main thing is that it's coming up to Christmas, you know, and people start to put their money elsewhere, which is fair and it's understandable. So around that time, I know for me it goes really quiet, and I use that time just to reflect, work on my business, you know, try and get things back in order, paperwork or anything else that I missed, and then yeah, for the next year we're ready to go again and go hard. So it's one of them things, but this is something that you do have to think about. Landscaping, gardening is very seasonal, and at the end of the day, you know, you can't do nothing about it. You just have to roll with it and prepare, plan and execute. That's all I can say. So just gonna stream it back over now, blow it back, then job done. Yeah, just a quick tidy up, nothing major. Then on to the next job.